In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram opens and auto close problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update Instagram apps latest version. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram app. It helps to fix Instagram open and auto close problem on Instagram. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Then click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps to you fix Instagram apps open and auto close problem. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your Instagram apps and refresh your Instagram application. You can follow the all steps, then solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.